Hello guys! So, diba, sinabi ko sa inyo na promise talaga ni husband na bilihan ako ng sasakyan. Ayan. We're going to car hunting. We're going to shop for my car. Ayan. Ayan guys, andito na kami sa Mercedes-Benz. Okay mga kaibigan, kasi ako talaga ay gustong-gusto ko ng red. Ay, kinanginginig ako sa lamig. Yan.
I'm gonna grab a borrowed vehicle.
Nanginginig ako sa lamig. Grabe, super. It's so cold. Yan. Yung aking asawa andoon na sa loob. My favorite color. At nanginginig ako sa lamig.
Maybe this is too small. I don't know, but here's the storage area in the back.
Too small for us.
Huh?
Too small for us.
It's too small?
Yeah, because when we have bag, when we travel, this is too small.
Well, you know, I could ask him to show us the next size big.
So this is a bigger one.
Yeah, it's a significantly bigger one. You know, they kind of jump up from something that's really small to something that is pretty good size, you know.
Yeah, so
Now, I don't know if you have to look at the back to see if it's 4 minutes. The ice and snow, I mean, put it this way, you and I do not really necessarily need 4-wheel drive, but it's just
it's
kind
so
of a nice
cold.
thing
I'm
to have.
shaking. But I think this is good enough for me.
But
But-
you don't, it's not too large for you. I mean, it's a beautiful car.
And this is the second option. Pero ayoko ng kulay. Formatic also. Okay guys, so now we are driving our own car, our new Mercedes-Benz. It's smooth.
Oh, smooth, yeah. Well, you expect it to be for
Oh
something
my
that's
gosh, the car is so pretty.
34,000.
Honey, this is just enough. The size, I like the size. I like the seat. I like everything, and I like you too.
Yeah, I thought this. You know, I thought you might, you know, do something
Ayan.
because
Yeah, and then
you
there.
know, innately, I don't think SUVs are, you know, Mercedes. You know, to me.
Okay, guys. So since last night we went to Mercedes-Benz, so today we are going to BMW, and we will check if what is the nicer one or what will I choose. Kung ano po yung aking magugustuhan, magtagalog lang tayo para hindi tayo mahirapan. kami kasi pupunta kami dito sa Porsche. Let's see if we can afford Porsche. No?
Let's see if